Okay, let's do problem 2. Here they say write an equation using angle relationships to solve for x. Okay, so part A. Here we're given these two angles. Here they call that x degrees, and here they call that 2x degrees. So how do we set up an equation? Well, we know that those two angles together make up this bigger angle here. We know that that, from our diagram, is a right angle, is 90 degrees. And so we can say that that is 90, and we can set that equal to these two angles added together, so x plus 2x. So we can say 90 equals 3x, or x equals 30 degrees. Okay, let's do part B. So here we have two angles that are 5x and 4x, and those two are part of this bigger angle called a straight angle because it's this straight line. This straight angle here is going to be 180 degrees total. So we're going to say 180 equals 5x plus 4x, or 180 equals 9x, or x equals 20 degrees. Okay, let's do part C. So here we have what are called vertical angles. I'm using the abbreviation or the symbol for angles. So vertical angles are like these two right here. Another pair of vertical angles would be like this one and this one in the blue. A nice thing we know about vertical angles is that they're always the same measure. They're congruent. And so that makes this pretty easy. We're just going to say 13x minus 3 is equal to 4x plus 15. We can add 3 to both sides. We can get 13x equals 4x plus 18. Subtract 4x from both sides. We can get 9x equals 18, or x equals 2. One quick note is that I shouldn't have put the degree symbol on here or here for the answers to part A and B, because that degree symbol is kind of included after. So you could just say x equals 30, x equals 20, and